Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something truly extraordinary to share with you. One of the most futuristic and luxurious double-decker motorhomes you'll ever see. This masterpiece on wheels is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, design, and comfort. If you've ever dreamed of traveling the open road while enjoying the luxury of a five-star hotel, this motorhome might just be the ultimate fantasy come to life. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the details of this stunning double-decker beauty. From the very first glance, the exterior of this motorhome leaves you speechless. Its sleek aerodynamic shape, bold curves, and futuristic glass panels give it the appearance of something out of a sci-fi movie. The glossy red finish paired with tinted panoramic windows adds to its charm, making it look more like a concept vehicle than something designed for everyday travel. The bold LED light strips and oversized alloy wheels complete the look, showing us that this isn't your average RV, it's a rolling piece of art. Now, let's talk about size and presence. Being a double-decker motorhome, the sheer scale of this vehicle is impressive. The second level isn't just for show. It maximizes space and provides multiple zones for living, entertainment, and relaxation. Unlike traditional motorhomes, which can sometimes feel cramped, this design emphasizes openness and freedom of movement. It's built to give you the full luxury home experience while you're on the road. Stepping inside, the first thing that strikes you is the interior design. Think of it as a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. The lower deck is typically dedicated to socializing and daily living. Here, you'll find a spacious lounge area with plush seating, a dining space, and a fully equipped kitchen. The futuristic design continues inside with clean lines, ambient lighting, and high-end finishes such as marble countertops, smart appliances, and automated systems that control lighting, temperature, and even entertainment. The kitchen is nothing short of impressive. From induction cooktops and convection ovens to built-in refrigerators and wine coolers, everything is designed to make cooking on the road as convenient as possible.
Moving further inside, the motorhome also features a spa-like bathroom that feels worlds away from the cramped facilities you might associate with traditional RVs. Think rainfall showers, backlit mirrors, modern sinks, and plenty of storage space for your essentials. It's the kind of bathroom that could rival a luxury hotel suite. Heading upstairs to the second deck is where things get even more exciting. This space is dedicated to ultimate relaxation and privacy. Depending on the configuration, you'll find master bedrooms with king-sized beds, entertainment lounges, or even rooftop access for stargazing and open-air gatherings. Imagine sitting on the upper deck, sipping coffee in the morning, or enjoying a sunset view over the horizon. This is what makes the double-decker design so special. Technology is another area where this motorhome shines. With smart integration, you can control most of its systems directly from your smartphone or through voice commands. From adjusting the blinds to setting the mood lighting, everything is at your fingertips. Plus, entertainment is taken to the next level with massive flat-screen displays, surround sound systems, and even gaming setups for those long nights on the road. But let's not forget practicality. Despite its futuristic look, this motorhome is designed to perform. It comes equipped with a powerful engine capable of handling long-distance travel, advanced suspension systems for a smooth ride, and eco-friendly features such as solar panels and energy-efficient appliances. Off-grid capability is becoming more important these days, and this motorhome is well prepared for it. What makes this double-decker motorhome truly stand out, however, is the experience it offers. It's not just about traveling from one place to another, it's about living luxuriously while doing it. Whether you're taking a cross-country trip, exploring scenic landscapes, or simply using it as a mobile luxury retreat, it offers comfort, style, and exclusivity that few vehicles in the world can match. In summary, this double-decker motorhome is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a futuristic lifestyle choice. From its jaw-dropping exterior to its hotel-like interior, from its cutting-edge technology to its spacious two-story design, it's built for those who want the very best on wheels. So what do you think? Would you like to hit the road in this luxurious double-decker motorhome? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the review, subscribe to the channel for more amazing content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.